Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. Alright, well, we went from the Hurricane to a New Orleans classic, the Ramos Gin Fizz. Now, this was created by Henry Ramos in 1888 at his Imperial Cabinet Bar. It is a great drink for bartenders to drink, but it's a pain in the neck to make, okay, because it requires a lot of shaking. Alright, so first time making it, it's gonna be a little bit interesting, but let's get into it. So, first things first, I'm gonna go with a ½ ounce of simple syrup, 2 to 1. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now I need the same of lime, 3/4 lime. So it's a lemon-lime combination. Now I use orange blossom water. Okay, this is Cortas. I'm gonna just put a little bit into the cap. Adds a slightly floral element to it. Now, 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Tanqueray. Pick a London dry style would probably be your best. Maybe not go for like Aviation, but something that's more mellow. Outstanding. I'm gonna take that, put that off to the side, put that off ahead. Now I need to get heavy cream and an egg. Now I know what you're asking, Scott, why are you getting heavy cream? Reason being is that this cocktail, the reason it has a lot of shaking is it needs to create an egg foam. ½ ounce of heavy cream. Go ahead and rescrew that, put it back into the fridge. And now, 1 egg white. And now, much like in our whiskey sour and Earl Grey martini cocktails, you need to do a dry shake. It's just a cocktail. Now, you'll want to line it up as much as possible. Then pop it on. Now we're going to do the dry shake. Now this you need to be very, very intentional on the shake because this is where you start to make that meringue. Awesome. Meringue's beginning to form. Looks good. Now grab your ice. Because this requires a lot of shaking, I'm gonna go 4 cubes. Alright, when I say that, I'm not joking. When this was created by Henry Ramos, he employed shakermen that went down the line until it got to the last one, it finished up and then was served. Okay? I'm nervous. Take this, marry it in. You know the deal. Let's rock. Whew. I am not in the shaker shape that I should be in. That's why there was typically a line of shaker men. Keep going. Alright, that's it. That's enough. That's a lot. Okay. Grab your Collins glass, some seltzer, and a straw. Hawthorne strainer. Strain it in. Alright. So now, I'm going to take some seltzer. I'm going to add it to the big tin. Just to try and incorporate a little bit more of the egg custard foam. Just to wash off the drink. Gonna bring this in again, do a quick mini shake. 1, 2, 3. That just clears that off. Let's add it to rest. Alright, now I'm gonna wait for a minute, let things develop, let things calm. I'll put in a straw and top with more soda. Basically what I'm letting this do now is just form the layers that need to be formed through the compounding of the shaking and how hard it had to be done to incorporate everything. Now, I have heard that if you are a good bartender, when this goes in, it should not move. Let's see. Ooh, it's not moving. Take the seltzer. Not bad for a beginner. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ramos Gin Fizz. Cheers. I am surprised that I made that work. The gin, the lemon, the lime, the orange blossom water, it all just comes together perfectly. It's a fantastic cocktail. It's a fantastic drink. It's a challenge to make, and I understand why now. I mean, it is absolutely insane to do it. But to get the layers that you see on this drink, to get the straw to be in and not move, to get the foam to come up and even come up a little bit higher than what other people would put it as. It's a testament to this cocktail, and I am ecstatic that I pulled it off. If you like the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. What cocktail do you want me to do next? You can find me on my socials, block down below. You can find me on my personal YouTube channel, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. Game content, stream on Saturday nights, at least. Just chill out, maybe make a drink. Don't think about making one of these, but you know, something different. And just generally have a nice chill time. On that note, thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on this little journey as a complete beginner makes a Ramos Gin Fizz. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.